For more than 1 decade since its launch, talaga naman nasubukan na at napatunayan ng isang average one kung gaano ka-reliable at fuel efficient itong Mirage G4. Kaya naman mas pinipili talaga pang araw-araw. So tara, reviewin natin. For the engine, meron siyang 1.2 liter 3-in-line double overhead camshaft Mitsubishi innovative bulb timing electronic control system, gasoline, and Euro 4 compliant. For the max power, meron siyang 78 PS by 6,000 RPM. For the max torque naman, meron siyang 100 Newton meter by 4,000 RPM. Ang fuel tank capacity niya is 42 liters. Meron siyang transmission na Invex 3 CVT, so what it does is it optimizes maximum engine power and RPM for excellent fuel economy. For the front suspension, meron tayong MacPherson strut coil spring with stabilizer. Sa rear naman, meron siyang torsion beam. For the braking system, sa front, meron siyang 14 inches ventilated disc. Sa rear, meron siyang 8 inches leading and trailing drums. For the wheels, meron siyang silver paint alloy wheels. Sa tires, meron siyang 185 by 55 R15. Yung spare tire niya rin is full-size alloy wheel. Ang kanyang gear type is rack and pinion. Naka-power steering na rin siya na electronic type. For the steering wheel, it is a 3-spoke urethane. Meron na rin siyang audio remote switch at voice command with hands-free switch. For the multimedia system, meron na siyang smartphone link display audio, tuner, Bluetooth, USB port, compatible na rin siya with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Meron siyang 2 speakers sa harap. For other amenities, meron siyang rear center armrest, headlamp auto-off, instrument meter cluster, at multi-information display monitor. Sa specifications naman tayo, meron siyang length na 4,305mm, lapad na 1,670mm, height na 1,515mm, gross weight na 1,335kg, at seating capacity na 5 seaters. Sa appearance naman tayo, meron siyang chrome accent na front grille, colored key na front and rear bumper, multi-reflector halogen headlamps, side door mirrors, bulb type na rear combination lamp, at LED type na high mount stop lamp. For the available colors, meron siyang titanium gray metallic, red metallic, at full silver metallic. Whether as your first car or spare car, consider Mirage G4 as your top choice. So meron kaming test drive dito sa may branch namin. So come and visit me dito sa may Mitsubishi Peak Motors o sa Santos branch. So hanapin niyo lang ako. Once again, this is Mike from Mitsubishi Peak Motors o sa Santos branch. So I'll see you here.